Hi, I'm Amber Westies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today, I'm going to show you how to search in social work abstracts. Social Work Abstracts is a popular database for finding articles in the field of social work. To access social work abstracts, visit the Social Work Research Guide, which can be found using the Research Guide quick link on the library's website, uu.edu/library. All of our research guides are listed alphabetically, so scroll until you see social work. Using the Finding Articles tab, you will see a list of databases related to social work. Please note that Social Work Abstracts has a maximum of 4 users simultaneously. If you're unable to access it, please try again later. To open Social Work Abstracts, simply click the link Social Work Abstracts. You will see that Social Work Abstracts is hosted by EBSCO, which means other databases such as Academic Search Complete will have a similar look and feel. You can type your search terms in the search boxes at the top of the page. You will see a drop-down menu that you can use for additional search terms. The green search button will bring up your results. The number of results is listed here at Search Results. To narrow your results, use the limiters on the left-hand side of the screen, such as scholarly peer-reviewed journals only or changing your publication date. Social Work Abstracts, as its name indicates, holds records that have abstracts or summaries of the articles. In order to access the full article, use the Linked to Full Text limiter. This will give you links to the articles. Clicking the title of the article will bring up its record, where you will see the citation information such as the author's name and the journal title. You will also see the abstract or summary of the article. In this article, we have the option of HTML full text or PDF full text. We recommend using the PDF full text option because this includes page numbers, which are helpful for your citations. Clicking that link will open the article, where you can download or print. You may also want to email this article to yourself to help you in organizing your research. Clicking the email button will bring up the email options. You may also find articles that have full text finder. Clicking on this will help you find the article in a different database. You will notice 2 or 3 options when you open this page. Typically, the first link is the one that you would like to use. Clicking on this link will open the article. Here, you can download or read the article online. If you have additional questions about researching in social work abstracts or any of our databases, please visit our YouTube channel for helpful tips. You can also visit the research desk and speak to a research coach, or schedule a personal research coach appointment at a time that's convenient for you. We will meet with you individually and answer your questions.